Hello everyone, welcome back to It Logos Mind. This is lesson 3, taking care of our environment. We are continuing the next portion of this lesson, second video. Now we will talk in detail about pollution. The process by which the Earth's environment is damaged due to human activities that is known as pollution. Means you can talk about water pollution. When harmful things are added to water or garbage or dust added to water, then it causes water pollution. When polluted water is dirty, it is impure, and we cannot drink polluted water. We cannot cook with this polluted water, and we cannot use cleaning our utensils with this polluted water. And if by chance we drink polluted water, then we will fall sick. Like that, when we pollute the water of large water bodies, then the aquatic animal also in danger. They are also, because when large water bodies pollute, then the aquatic animals are in danger, because they are living in this environment that is going to pollute. Means aquatic animals live in water, and water is polluting. That means they will die, they will fall sick, and one day aquatic animal also extinct, vilupt ho jayega. Then it will more danger for us. So we should not pollute the water, should not throw the garbage in the water, plastics in the water, plastic bottles. These are taking millions of years to decompose into the soil and water. So we should not throw plastic bags, we should not throw plastic bottles in the water and any type of garbage which pollute the water. Now land pollution. Sometimes we are dumping the things on land. That causes land pollution. You can see on the screen so many garbages we are putting on a particular land. That land become polluted. It gets polluted due to throw garbage and other waste materials, means in our domestic materials, or sometimes factories, sometimes some other places, dust particles we are dumping in one place. That moments this place soil going to less fertile. The fertilizers of the soil going to destroy. And sometimes in the crop field, cultivation field, when we use more fertilizers, more chemicals, more compost for fertilizing the field, cultivation field, खेत के जमीन को और ज़्यादा पौष्टिक बनाने के लिए, when we are pesticides, we are using pesticides, fertilizers, which is chemically not natural, not organic, not natural, chemical से बना हुआ, then sometimes the soil become polluted and unfit for growing crops. So we should not dump our waste materials on any land. Horns of vehicles such as truck, car, buses, sirens, loud music also pollute, also causes noise pollution. And when the unpleasant sound happens, then it is also noise pollution. Noise pollution can cause severe headaches. Do you know that? Noise pollution can cause severe headache. Not only that, it sometimes defects our hearing problem also. Sometimes we can become deaf because of noise pollution. So we should be careful about that. How can we look after our planet? How can we look after our planet? We must look at some ways. Reduce pollution and take care of our environment. What we can do for that? Ways to reduce air pollution. Use a little electricity, petrol, cooking gas as possible. Try to travel more by public transport. Nowadays, you can see in TV channel, Delhi gives one advice that one small girl, she cannot remember the things in her memory because of these pollutions. So government insists that one day you don't drive the car because of prevent your environment from pollution, air pollution. So a nice advertisement coming in the TV channel that you can see the one little girl how she become like an old woman, and she cannot remember the things because of this pollution. All these things happen. Definitely the mobile also are one of the cause. So it suggests you use bicycle as much as possible instead of car, motorbikes, because they gives us smokes, pollute our air. Do not waste papers, plant trees, recycle as much as possible. Whatever the things you try to recycle. There are 3R: recycle, reuse and reduce. Way to that all things we are reading about reduce. This reduce we are reading. This reduce air pollution. How to reduce land pollution? Land pollution, we can use jute bags. Do not litter your surroundings. Litter means do not throw waste in your surroundings. Plant trees. Why? Because if we are planting more trees, then we will get more oxygen. Use organic fertilizers means जो काउ डंग से जो गोबर सार होता है उसको यूज करो इंस्टेड ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर. ऑर्गेनिक फर्टिलाइजर यूज करो. नेचुरल खाद बनाओ. Avoid the use of plastic bags because plastic bag environment को बहुत pollute करते. So avoid. Somewhere it is banned to use plastic bags. So when we are become aware about not using plastic bags, then only it's possible completely not use of plastic bags in the society or on the earth. यूज क्लोथ्स बैग, जूट बैग. आप लोगों ने देखे होंगे बड़े बड़े मॉल्स में, बिग बाजार, रिलायंस फ्रेश, बड़े बड़े जगह में आजकल जूट के बैग्स देते हैं, क्लोथ्स के बैग्स देते हैं, प्लास्टिक बैग्स नहीं यूज करते हैं. फॉलो द 3R: रिड्यूस वेस्ट, रीयूज गुड्स and recycle things. These 3R help us in reducing land pollution. Now what? Ways to reduce water pollution. Do not throw garbage into rivers, lakes or on the sea beach. Do not throw oil and paints directly into the sink. आपके किचन में जो सिंक है वहाँ पर डायरेक्टली आप इस टाइप के पेंट, ऑयल नहीं फेंकोगे. फैक्ट्रीज शुड नॉट डंप देयर वेस्ट इनटू द रिवर्स. कभी कभी फैक्ट्री से गंदा पानी ड्रेन होते हैं रिवर्स में. दैट शुड नॉट बी डन. यूज ओनली नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर फॉर योर प्लांट्स. नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर यूज करो, देन इट विल not pollute the soil also, not pollute the water also, and it good for health also instead of chemical fertilizer. Do not wash dirty clothes in river and ponds. Directly if you are washing your clothes into ponds and river, तो ponds और river के पूरा पानी आपके कचरा वाला कपड़ा धोने से पूरा गंदा हो जाएगा. So it avoid to do. Be careful of oil leaks from cars during rainstorms and the oil on the ground is washed into river and pollutes the water of the river. So आपके कहीं से आपके व्हीकल से अगर ऑयल लीक होता है तो वो वॉश आउट होके जब बारिश होता है उस समय वो सीधा चला जाता है रिवर में, कोई भी वाटर बॉडीज में, और उस वाटर बॉडीज के पानी को pollute कर देते हैं. Now what? Ways to reduce noise pollution. Use loud horns should be avoided. जोर जोर से हॉर्न बजाना अवॉइड करो. अवॉइड बर्स्टिंग क्रैकर्स. उससे भी क्रैकर्स से भी मुझे तो बहुत डर लगता है व्हेन बर्स्टिंग क्रैकर्स, जोर जोर से जो बड़ा बड़ा बॉम्ब फूटते हैं. और मुझे लगता है बहुत किसी को ये डर लगता है मीन्स एक पैनिक होता है. ऐसे लाइटिंग वाला क्रैकर्स देन बेटर देन द साउंड क्रैकर्स. और जो जोर जोर से लाउड स्पीकर होता है, दिस टाइप ऑफ साउंड्स मेक साउंड पोल्यूशन. सो हमें नॉइज पोल्यूशन, सो हमें इस टाइप के साउंड नहीं करना चाहिए. दिस ऑल अबाउट दिस लेसन. सो रीड वेरी नाइसली and give your surroundings this type of examples. आपके घर के आसपास में, relatives में ऐसे बहुत सारे examples आपको मिलेगा where they are polluting this environment. So you also add yourself not to pollute, save the environment. Thank you very much. If you like the video, then like it, share it, and still if you don't subscribe, then you subscribe it. Next video I am giving you the question answer of this lesson. Okay, now answer the following. What causes noise pollution? You can write this. Horn of vehicles such as trucks, cars, buses, sirens, music, bursting crackers, etc. cause noise pollution. Question number 1. Okay. Now, question number 2. What is meant by water pollution? When water is mixed up with harmful things such as garbage or waste, it is known as water pollution. This is question number 2. Okay. Now next. How can land pollution be reduced? How can land pollution be reduced? These 4 points you can write. Do not litter your surroundings, plant trees, use organic fertilizers, avoid the use of plastic bags. That you can write. Land pollution reduced. Now, mention 2 ways to reduce water pollution. 2 ways to reduce water pollution. That points you can write. Do not throw garbage into rivers, lakes or on sea beach. Factories should not dump their waste into rivers. These 2 points you can write. Now last. How are the 3 R's? The 3 R's: reduce waste, reuse goods, and recycle things. These 3 R's help us in reducing land pollution. All the 5 questions over. So if you like the video, like it. Thank you. And definitely you read the word meaning also.